हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम सीखेंगे प्रोफेशंस। वीडियो जरूर लाइक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। Who is this? This is a teacher. What does teacher do? Teacher teaches children. Who is this? This is a policeman. Police helps us to find criminals. Who is this? This is a postman. Postman sends us letters. Who is this? This is a traffic police. It controls traffic. This is a firefighter. He puts out fire. This is a farmer. The farmer grows crops. This is a gardener. A gardener helps us to take care of plants. This is a milkman. The milkman gives us milk. This is a soldier. A soldier keeps our country safe. This is a barber. A barber cuts our hair. This is a lawyer. Lawyer helps us in court cases. This is a carpenter. He prepares furnitures. This is a chef. A chef makes delicious food. This is an electrician. It helps us to take care of fuses. It is a washerman. The washerman washes clothes. This is a cobbler. Cobbler mends our shoes. This is a potter. A potter makes pots. Thank you.